Behind every successful arrangement and completion of any event, there are always some mental and physical efforts of a few people. So I tried to capture a few moments of preparing our department for the Diwali day. We, a few girls of the department, were preparing the Rangoli a day before the Diwali, and some boys were busy in the lighting arrangement. They were working hard to complete the connection, and it was evening already. And some of us were making some lanterns. This was the moment when we tested the connection, and unfortunately I could not record that moment when we shouted with joy when it worked. In the Diwali morning, I thoroughly cleaned my room and all my spaces, and I rushed to the department because we had to complete the remaining works, and there we completed the Rangoli. We washed the diyas, dried them up, and made the wicks ready. And it was raining since the morning, and the boys were still working so that everything was ready till the evening. We planned to hang a combination of pink and white lights on the building, but the electrician did not come. At the last moment, we had to lay them up on the flowers and trees. After being there in the department for long, we had the lunch there only. Immediately after taking a bath, my roommate and I started preparing our room for the Diwali. We hung pink colored lights on the window and white lights over my bed and golden over her. And then I started preparing the Rangoli. She was drawing the feet of Lakshmi Ma, and it was completed beautifully with her hands. I brought a red flower. While I was returning, I just sprayed the petals of the flower on the floor, and we put decorative diyas on the flowers. And we prepared the diyas, and already she made ready the wicks when I was not in the room. And we lit them all. And then we quickly got ready, did some simple makeup, and just wore the dress we planned. I styled this golden skirt with a white blouse and a golden sequin work dupatta, and made a bun, put some white flowers there. I took my roommate also to our department because she is my best friend, my soul sister, and my Sakhi she is. And this was the Diwali at our department where we put the diyas, enjoyed some jalebis, some milk tea, and got some beautiful pictures, some candies with our dearest friends. Also, I sang a song on the request of one of our respected teachers. It was completed beautifully, and after returning to the hostel, we got to see that all the girls were dancing. We became a part of that also. And then we had the dinner at the hostel mess, and the dinner was also yum. On the plate there were chicken biryani, sal fry, and a jalebi.